Hi there guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making a burger, a cheese and bacon burger, and to go with it we're going to have some rosemary salted chips. So if you like the sound of that, hit the like button, hit the notification bell and subscribe. Let's get cooking. Okay, so the first thing we're going to make is we're going to make the burger sauce. Now, I'm actually filming this an hour ahead of doing the rest of the video because once you make the burger sauce, we just want to put it in the fridge and we want to let the flavours combine. So it needs to be in the fridge for an hour or so before we use it, okay? So we're just going to make the burger sauce first. I don't know if this is going to be like a Big Mac sauce, but it's similar. I'm not going to say this is the Big Mac sauce because it may not be, but you know, it's got similar properties, I think. Shallot and gherkin in scales. Set it to 0. We want 30 grams of tomato ketchup. 30 grams of mayonnaise, we've got 15 grams of French mustard, 16, that'll do. We've got onion granules, we've got garlic granules, and we've got paprika. We're going to have half a teaspoon of each. Onion, garlic, paprika, half a teaspoon of each, and then a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, like that, and mix. Now it's obviously a chunky sauce, which is good. I'll cover it. Put that in the fridge for later. Okay, so we're back. We are going to make some chips. Obviously, I've peeled the potatoes. I didn't need to show you that bit, I don't feel. So just slice them down the middle and cut them into chips, I would assume. Chip shape chips, like that. Chunky-ish. Some smaller if you like. Depends how you want them. Lovely jubbly. Stick them in a pan. We're going to boil them just a little bit, just for 5-10 minutes, not long. It's enough water just to cover the chips. Potatoes. Get that going. Rosemary. Just cover these, not stalks. Just the leaves, please. Chop it a little bit. Not a lot. Just a bit. Right, so the potatoes started bubbling. We're just going to leave them to boil for about 5 minutes. I'm going to put the oven on 200, just above. Right. Going to put in the frying pan a nice glug of olive oil. Got that heat. And then in the oil we're going to put the rosemary. We're just going to let it infuse the oil like that. Right, so the potatoes have bubbled away for about 5 minutes, that's fine. So let the steam come off the potatoes. And then put the potatoes in there, like so. Toss them, get them all coated in the rosemary and the oil, like that. And the oil, you know, is going to be infused by the rosemary, and then put them in there like that. Make sure we get all that flavour. Turn that off. Make sure they're tossed again. Spread them out nicely. Okay. Salt. Pepper. And in the oven. For a good 25-30 minutes, I'd say. Good. So I'm going to make 4 burgers. So roughly put it into piles. We're not going to mess about with it. We're not going to. Four balls, if you like. show you this. This is the new skillet that I've got, cast iron skillet, covers across 2 burners. So it's going to be perfect for burgers, all sorts really. It's like a barbecue in the kitchen. So yeah, I'll put the link for this down below in the description. But yeah, I'm hoping it's going to work well. Slice these down the middle. Now I want to taste this a little bit. I'm getting soggy. Oh, they're fine. I need a bit. Vegetable oil. Put these down like this. I'm not sure how this is going to work. I might have to do some batches, you know. That's what I'm going to get. 2 down at once. Season as well, salt and pepper, ready to put. And the season. So, let's get our buns ready with our sauce that we made earlier. Good dollop of that on there. Dollop of that one on there. Perfect. These are batches. Put that on there. are good. Look at that. I don't really. Okay. That is good. I wouldn't say the sauce is Big Mac sauce, but I'd say it's nice. I'd say it's very nice. Sorry about the mess. It's been a bit of a hectic video today. For one reason or another. A new piece of equipment, never cooked on it before. Literally. The first time I turned it on was 10 minutes ago. See you next time.